We have a 1990 GE 12,000 BTU window/wall air conditioner. So I got this out of a building that was getting renovated, and they were removing the units, and luckily I was able to get all the units, which include this, the X-Star over there, and the GE that's in the garage, similar to that one there. That's a Panasonic made one, but it's similar. So let's do a walk around of it. The back of it has the GE tag, and it has top vents, and here's the data. Alright, let's read off the data. Model AMD12AAM1, manufactured in September of 1990, serial number SD703235, 115 volt, 60 hertz, one phase, 12,000 BTUs, 1.31 kW, 11.0 amps, 9.1 ER, and 26.5 as of R22. It has a master sheet of rotary. It's a nice unit. So the reason why I have it on the floor, not on the stand here, is because it's heavy. It's heavier than the reciprocating compressor units, but yeah, it's bulky. Here's the control panel. You can see it has a circular, energy saver, and a thermostat, and a timer. Alright, let's start up on fan. Low, medium, and high. Go back to 0. And now we have to wait for the compressor to click, and we'll fire it up on cool. Alright guys, let's start it up on cool. So I'm gonna put you guys by the compressor and I'll fire it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's let it build pressure, and we'll also take it out of the case, so we'll be back when that's... Actually, we're going to take it out. Let's go through the speeds first. Medium and high. Alright, here it is running. We're going to take it out of the case, and we'll start it up again. Alright guys, here it is out of the case. You can see it more clearly. Here is the inside. Ooh, the portable charger is kind of... Whew. Here's the compressor. It has a huge accumulator on it. It's a master sheet of rotary. There's the fan in there. Let's start it up on little fan. Whew. Oh yeah, some loose dust fell out of it. Alright, let's start with the compressor. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you can see the air swing is moving. So yeah, we're gonna let this thing run for a little bit and we'll be back. Alright guys, it's been running for a while. Pulling ice cubes and it's sweating. You see it sweating down here. It's running good. So let's take some temp checks. My temp gun's all the way over here. Whew. Alright, my temp gun. And let's see what we're getting out of the discharge. Most of my units in this temperature are below about 30 degrees. 30 in the late 30s. So 43. 39, 38. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, let's go through the speeds. Here's medium and high. Put the air swing back on. And the energy saver's on. Here's the compressor sound. I have this over it just so the air doesn't escape. So let's put it back into the case and we'll end off the video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.